I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
We have friends today.
Who are our friends?
I think I have something in my eyeball.
Oh, jeez. What are two rotisserie chickens doing here?
It's Fred and Sally.
Oh, jeez. Vegetarian alert. Do not watch this video.
It's rotis and cerie.
Oh my. These chickens are being put to good use. Today we're making chicken salad. I mean, usually chicken salad is mayo-y, bland. It's okay, but you took it up a notch and you added curry powder to this chicken salad. And to me, you brought it to a whole nother level. Why? Why curry powder?
I don't know. My dad did it once and it blew me away. And so here we are today.
And you do it ever since?
With 2 rotisserie chickens, lots of curry powder, and you.
Oh, my love, thank you. Well, let's get started.
I just want to eat the chickens.
I'm starving. I like this recipe because you get your hands dirty. First step is shredding the rotisserie chicken, right?
I like this. This is Tastefully Eric
Oh,
today. So typically what I do is I just take off the skin
Okay.
and then shred the chicken into little bite-sized pieces. There's no pretty way of doing this. I just buy 2 rotisserie chickens at the grocery store. You can pop them in the fridge until you're ready to shred them, or shred them right away. Pop it in a big bowl, and there you
Nice.
go.
And this stays all week too.
So I think we should have a race.
A race?
Who can shred their rotisserie chicken faster?
3, 2, 1, go.
This is like really, this is really horrible.
Grace is still going, so I absolutely won this race.
I think because it was not only Eric's hands that were digging into the chicken, but he was also eating at the
Was my
speed.
mouth that was munching?
Yes. Oh, and it's on the floor.
There you go.
You clean
Beautiful.
up well.
You as well, my love. The easiest part about this dish is you shred the chicken. You shred the chicken, then you just add stuff to it.
Yes, that's all it is. So fast. You just take a container of nuts. I have some cashews here. You can get the halves and pieces or the whole ones, whatever you prefer. I could only find the halves and pieces.
Love cashews.
So I'm gonna throw that right in there.
Okay.
Next up is the grapes. So I feel like there's a little controversy. Do you put raisins in your
No way.
chicken salad? Do you put grapes? Do you put a mix of both?
I mean, it looks like you're doing both from what I can see.
Yes. So I like a little bit of both just because the grapes add like a little bit of juiciness. I don't know, they're more summery.
And these are golden raisins.
And golden raisins are a little bit more, they're not quite as, I don't even know how to describe it, raisiny. They don't have an intense raisin flavor.
it's
It's
a
a bit
nice
more like sweet, a
pop
little
of
sweet.
sweetness.
And it's really, really good with the curry. I recommend doing both, but you can obviously do whatever you want.
And now savory red onion. Oh, yes.
Savory.
Oh.
And the red onion adds that little crunch. It adds that tang that's really kind of breaks up the sweetness of the grapes and the raisins and the savory chicken.
Onion
and
is needed.
Yes. And then
Celery. I see the celery is uncut. What happened here?
I wanted to demo how to cut it.
Oh, okay. Let's do it.
Ready? It looks like a
Smells
bouquet.
good.
All I do for my stalks, you just want to run your knife down the center of it, and then you just want to cut just down the line, just like that. And you'll get little pieces. If they look too big, you can even cut these down the center one more time. It depends on how big you like that celery.
Let me see this thing.
It's an English cucumber and I cut the ends off.
Let me do this. I want to do this.
Okay.
What do you?
Ow!
Oh! What happened?
I just,
She hit a drawer. She hit a drawer handle. Okay, so what am I doing with this?
Oh, no.
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 Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
So you want to take your English cucumber, cut it right down the center. Beautiful.
And again?
Perfect. Yeah, but the best way to do it is to flip it this way.
flip it
There
this
we go.
way.
That way you can just easily run your knife down the center. If you have it kind of like this, it's gonna rock all over the place.
Okay.
These might be just a little bit big, so you may want to do the same thing, kind of cut right down the center again, down the center again, and that way you have a little stack of these tiny little sticks.
So like this.
Yes, and then just run your knife. I feel like I need to go over here. Oh, look at the speed. Oh, that's how you cut your finger off. Do not try this at home. Okay, so we have our celery in there, and then our cucumber.
So
Curry
last
mayo.
step, curry mayo. So you're
The
gonna
best
mix this curry into the mayo?
Yeah, so I just take mayo. You can use light mayo, you can use regular mayo,
Light
whatever you
mayo?
want to do. We're actually using a blend of light and regular just to be a
my
little bit
God.
healthier. And then to that, we're just gonna add quite a bit of curry powder.
I love the color this transforms to. You know?
Look how beautiful that is. And that's about the right amount for that amount of mayo. You wanna really give it a decent amount of curry if you want it to taste like curry. It looks like a lot, but it's really not that much. And then I just put some black pepper in there. I put salt. The rotisserie chickens are pretty salty, and there's some salt in the cashews that I got, but you know, just a little pinch of salt.
Yeah.
If you like it salty, add more. Once that's all mixed together, oh,
That's good.
then it's time to add it right into our
Wow.
chicken. Okay.
We're putting the mayo in
Yes.
to be mixed.
The mayo goes in, and then we chose a very small bowl to do this in, so
Good luck.
excuse the mess.
Let's see you
Tossy
toss
toss.
this
Are you scared for me? Because I am.
I'm scared for you. We might have to fast forward this. It's gonna take so long. I'm using crackers. You're just piling this in a bowl.
Oh yes. I mean, it's so good on its own. You really don't need anything else with it, but you can put it on a sandwich, crackers, serve it for lunch, dinner, picnic. It's good kind of room temp, chilled. It lasts in the fridge forever. It's just so good.
Okay, here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think?
It is perfect. You taste every ingredient separately, but it's all brought together by the curry. I love this. So fresh, so summery.
It is so freshy. I feel like most chicken salads are not fresh tasting. They're kind
They're
of
usually
like
heavy.
mayo-y and heavy. This, there's a nice crunch in there, lots of veggies, a little sweetness, savory.
Bye.
Check this out on tastefullygrace.com.
You won't regret it.
Woo!
You know, when I was in high school and we go out for lunch, we go to Wegmans, the best grocery store ever. We would just buy rotisserie chickens and just eat them at the lunch table. Is that your kind of thing? Okay. Stop that.